Feed the ducky. Give the bread. Give the ducky some bread. Give the ducky some bread. Give ducky some.
How do you know they were laughing?
That's for the ducky.
Why didn't you shoot them? Blow them up with a pipe.
Good girl. Give the ducky some bread. This way. Give the ducky some bread. Isabel, that's the ducky's bread. Give that to the ducky. Ew, no, ew, ew, ew. Oh my god, oh my god, that's the ducky's bread. Ew. No, give it to the ducky. Good girl. Gross. No, 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 Isabel. That's for the ducky. Give it to the ducky. No, no, right. Good girl. Good girl. Is that your ducky? Say hi, ducky. You swimming with the ducky? No, no, no. Ooh, ooh, Isabel. No, no. Isabel, that's the ducky's bread. Give that to the ducky. Ew, no, ew. Ew, Isabel. Isabel, no, 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 no. Isabel, no, 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 no. No. Frank, she's eating the bread that she took out of the ducky. Out of the water. Let me see. Where's your ducky? Hi, ducky. Isabel, are you kissing the ducky? Isabel, get your hand out of... Isabel, what's the ducky say? The ducky say quack, quack, quack?
Yes.
The ducky say quack, quack, quack? Isabel, get your hand out of the ducky. Thank you.
Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh. She give you kisses? She give you kisses? Did she give you kisses? What's the ducky say?
Let's choke it.
Hey, no splashing. No splash. No, Isabel. Isabel. No, no, no. Isabel. 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 No, 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 no.
Bella.
Isabel. No. No more. No more. Look at the ducky wants to swim. Look at, you're all wet. Isabel, you're all wet.
Bella, no.
No.
Ah! Over.
Okay, Ryan. Isabel, no more. Isabel. 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 Look at Mama. Why is your face all wet? Isabel? Why is your face all wet? Did you go swimming with the duck? Did you go swimming with the duck? Come say hi to the duck. Oh, no. Look at the cute little duck we have. Hi, ducky. Look at her. Hi. Isabel, you can't go swimming in that little with the ducky. I know you're man. You want to play with the ducky? Wait, stop, please.